有色彩嘛哈。
对，23点钟啊，这个差不多23点钟。
哎，它开始了。
我点的。
开始的是你现在相当于有点像那个一样，锁定。开始了，你没有在直播啊？
解锁一下。
在直播中。
那为什么是这个状态啊？那如果完了呢？他在录了吗？
在录啊，你看直播，你在那秒吗？
哦，那边有了吗？
有啊，这个时间。屏幕方向已锁定，请转动设备已回到。没有，你刚才是在立的是吧？
它一般都是用竖的。
在竖的是吧？
对，那我们要变得横吗？
对，横的吧。
竖的话拍的比较少。
对，你管它闭着眼睛谁管动？
开始了吗？
那地台在那边。那你开始了。
Hello everyone, this is Pearly from AlizarinGroup Limited, and today it is our YouTube live, and I want to share our new arrived printable PU flex, Pearly print and cut FoilTex, HTW-300SF. We could transfer this kind of material onto no matter a white t-shirt or dark t-shirt with same effects. The strength of this project is it's printed with Pearly-like effects with shimmery, very shiny effects. Today we choose this cube design to transfer on our black t-shirt. Now it is printing with Mimaki CG150 and 107. With this print and cut together machine, we could just type in our designs and then either print it by itself automatically and cut it automatically. So only we need to offer this kind of machine. They are big size and also small size. In your studio, this is very good solution and a very good machine. Full colors with Ecosom ink. Then you could print any kind of designs on our material, Pearly print and cut for your text. Normally, when we print this kind of designs on t-shirt, maybe it is just normal effects. But when we transfer onto our Pearly print and cut for your text, it will have metallic effects. Now it is printing. And today we will show you step by step what you need to prepare and what you will occur when you will met when you find this solution and to start with your business. First, printing. And before we printing, we need to type in to set up our graphics in this kind of software. It can print and make cut lines along this image. This image, it is very easy. So if we have Apple printer, we could just print it and no cutting by some cutting machines like cutting plotters or scissors. Because it is very easy. Just a cube. And this is new product. So let me introduce the raw material, the regular size, and the regular width of this material. It is Pearly print and cut FoilTex. So when you print, normally we have two sides to choose. One is 50 centimeters wide, like this one. It is 50 centimeters wide and 30 meters length. And the other kind is 1 meter. 1 meter wide and 30 meters length. Now printing. After sunlight, after light, you can see it is Pearly light effects in this blanket parts. So when you do some designs, you put in your graphics, then you will have some metallic effects. It makes your designs more luxurious. This printing, we will make some tiny words on this kind of design to make it more active. We could add some cuttable peel flags like red, green, black to make it highlights come out. Okay, we could give it a screenshot for this part. 可以给它推进一下镜头。Then wait for 1 to 3 minutes to make it dry. Then it will operation for the cutting parts. It is too big for our designs, I think. 可能那个图片太大了。And maybe some of the clients will be interested. Is it complexity for us to use this kind of software? The answer is no. It is easy, even though you are not very familiar with computer or some others. But if you got one kind of design like GPG, PDF, or some other formats, then if you put it into this kind of software, Mimaki, and it will shift your designs, PDF or GPG, into AI. Then it will operate cut lines. You just click the mouse. Then your design will come out, and then it will do operation for printing. Let me check how many minutes we need to wait. Now, this is the screen operation screen. screen, the operation screen for Mimaki CG 150 to 107. This machine, it can recommend us about the cutting force and the heater temperature. Normally for our materials, if you want to get good quality and fine cutting in this kind of materials, you need to do test cutting. And here we could see the pre-temperature and the print temperature and the post temperature is 28. Normally, if your temperature is higher than 36, then we need to ask it is available to adjust the temperature to 30 to 28 to 36 between this kind of temperature. If it is too hot, maybe this is for another materials, not for our printable FoilTex. And later, the cutting speed we choose this machine with this material 30, and the pressure is 45. Okay. Then we'll do the second part. We have another design for this. In this software, we could choose the size, the inks, the shapes, and how many copies you want. Just like any other printers you are using. So it is not very difficult. Okay. For our design today, we do first it is this cube, and then we add some English words here. So second printing we'll do English tiny words printing and cutting. This is a shimmery finish, so I like it in design some constructive, big contrast between colors. Then you will get better results. If we choose some white, just like shell, maybe we can get, when we transfer onto dark t-shirt, we cannot get very charming effects because it is so much close to this material. Normally, we recommend our clients to use a 30-angle blade. 30-angle blade, it is very good solution for PU flex because for PU flex it is soft, so not sharp blade is recommended. We need to use a 30-angle blade. So it is not so much sharp, but it has perfect cutting. If we are using 45, it is It is okay, no problem. So, when we are making some designs like productions for shoots and some uniforms, which they need some luxurious effects on t-shirt design, then this Pearly print and cut FoilTex will be your best choice because it can not only present the luxurious for someone wearing this design, but also it can show shimmery finish on this design. So that's why today we recommend our new arrival. If you are interested in our products, you could message us and comment and subscribe our YouTube. AlizarinGroup, yeah. Just a minute. We need to give it some time to dry because when we just print the ink, it is not dry. Then when the gear is go through with it, then it will mesh the image. So we need to give 3 minutes. That's based on your image because we only do two copies for this design, so we need to offer 3 minutes. But if we have 6 or 8 images for this kind of pictures, we could short down to 2 minutes. But now 3 minutes it is better. We make it dry, then it will be easy to transfer by adhesive polyester film. Then to make sure a better design. After 3 minutes, now it is breaking cuttings. The break will come back and then do cutting. This is very easy. We no need to do so much operation. We just work with computer and work with printer. After we finish this part, we will do masking. Just take image out from the carrier. the designs we want. Then we do masking. Before we do masking, we need to remove the extra parts off. Because this is very tiny and we could a little slow. If you have big pictures, then it is very easy. I think if we practice, make perfect, right? There's a dot here. Don't forget it. It is not very difficult for anyone to remove this. Our Alizarin technical department have tried this for many times to get better feelings when materials arrive to you. Okay. We use a knife to remove the middle parts. Totally finished. Then we do masking. This is PrettySticker adhesive polyester film. It is sticky here, and we mask this image and squeeze it to take this image out, to position this image. If we make tiny words here, we can squeeze half. No bubbles here, because if you have bubbles inside, when you hit press, it will bubbles later. I was quite good at this, so you see, no bubbles here. Then I just take it out, peeling it off. Paste it back to this polyester film. Okay. Cut it out. I was thinking about my design. I have changed my mind. I cut it out. With this part. This part. Put it in the middle of our t-shirt. Then we cover one piece of fabric. Set the heat press machine 165 degree 25 seconds. We need to wait a little bit. No matter for white t-shirt or dark t-shirt, the operation temperature for heat press machine, it is about 165 degree and 25 seconds. But don't forget to add one piece of fabric. If your heat press machine has already have a fabric cover here, then you could forget this. Forget this, yes. Give it a minute. After we use this, we can keep it 4 to 5 times to repeat, take image out. So this is recycled adhesive polyester film. AlizarinGroup has 17 years business background in heat transfer paper and heat transfer printable PU flags and cuttable PU flags. If our clients interested in any of our products, you could contact us or visit our website www.alizaringroup.com. We'll share many solutions and many exhibitions, news we have ever attended, and also some projects series. I have changed my mind. I think this kind of design will be more charming. What do you think? As long as you didn't heat press, you could change your mind. But after you heat press, then it is very easy, very difficult for you to peel it off or wash it out. You can keep colors and keep in washing machine for 100 to 120 times. Okay. Cover one kind of fabric to protect the image from the high temperature. When it's ready, we just peel it off. It will be better. Then we could add one more heat press to make it flat and nice. One to 2 seconds. Okay, this is a solution for Eco-Solvent Pearly print and cut FoilTex. And if you want to try with samples, you could contact us on our YouTube, and we will offer you all these kinds of details and the sample rolls. Okay, thank you for your time. I was very happy to enjoy this kind of demo with you, and we will do step by step. Maybe this week or maybe next week we will have our new YouTube live, and we will share more of our projects with this kind of machine. Thank you. See you.